Brought to you by Baby Lock, for the love of sewing. Sulky Threads, express yourself with Sulky and create with confidence. Our exclusive fabric partners. Be sure to look for their newest lines of fabric.
Welcome to Quiltmaker's Block Network. I'm Denise Starck with Quiltmaker magazine. Today I'll be sharing with you Homestead Album, Block 184, designed by Sarah Maxwell and Dolores Smith. It appears in Quiltmaker's 100 Blocks, Volume 2. I'll show you how to make this block and then we'll look at what happens when you put the blocks together. For this block, you will need a background fabric and 6 coordinating fabrics. The cutting dimensions to make this 12-inch block are on the screen. First, using the triangle square method, make 4 unit 1s for the pinwheel in the center of the block. Next, make 4 unit 2s that will be used in the churn dash around the pinwheel. To assemble this block, first sew the unit 1s together to make the pinwheel. Then sew the strips on the left and right sides to the pinwheel. Then you'll sew the unit 2s together to another set of strips on the top and the bottom and attach that to the center. Last, sew the other strips on the sides of this section. To put this block together, sew the top section together and the bottom section, and then you'll add each of these to your center section. And just that easily, you have a completed block. When you combine several of these blocks into a quilt, you can create some really interesting secondary designs depending on the placement of your fabrics in the corners. The first example uses the block just as we've sewn it, and you get large pinwheels where the blocks meet. The second example highlights where I changed the black fabric to magenta, and the result creates a large magenta churn dash and a strong gridded look to this quilt. In the third example, if we change the black fabric to the background fabric, the blocks begin to separate from the background and you create a floating pinwheel where the blocks meet. You can see where color placement can really change your quilt design. To stay in touch with Quiltmaker, sign up for our free e-newsletter, Quilty News. Homestead Album and 99 other fabulous blocks can be found in Quiltmaker's 100 Blocks Volume 2. Thank you for joining me today, and we hope to see you again on Quiltmaker's Block Network. I don't know what to do with my hands.